My name is Lori, and I'm a welder fabricator here at Wil-Ro. My favorite thing is probably just the encouraging environment we get to be in. They're always encouraging us to find new ways to grow and get better at what we do. Before Wil-Ro, I had no previous welding experience. They brought me on, asked if I was willing to learn. I said absolutely, and we took off. Erin was the one that taught me, and she did a fantastic job. So I would say Wil-Ro is a great place. Definitely a great place to start if you're looking to get into it. They're very encouraging and willing to help you learn and just take you where you need to be.